Okay, kiddos, I'm just going to record a short video for you showing you how to complete the doghouse. So if you get confused or you get lost, you can always just go backwards in the video and rewatch it. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to delete this poor gentleman. Use the select tool on top of our toolbar over here, and we're going to select him. We're going to hit delete. Away he goes. Now we're going to make a rectangle. You can just pull it out and release your mouse. Now you don't have to move the cursor anywhere. You can simply type 3 apostrophe, comma 5 apostrophe, and hit the enter button. It'll automatically snap to the right dimensions. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to use the push-pull tool, which was hiding there under the offset tool. And you are going to pull it up. You can release anywhere. Then, without moving the cursor, simply type 3 apostrophe and hit enter. Alright, now remember that the apostrophe stands for feet. So when you are typing in 3 apostrophe, comma 5 apostrophe for the bottom rectangle, that is the dimensions, 3 feet by 5 feet. And when you pull it up and you type in 3 apostrophe, that means 3 feet. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our line tool, and we are going to draw a line from the midpoint to the other midpoint on the green axis, and that's going to bisect the top face. Next, you're going to use the move tool, which looks like 4 arrows, and you're going to grab that line and you're going to pull it up. Now, if it starts going off in one direction or the other, simply tap the up arrow and release the mouse. Now you can type in 18, and if you have a little square in front there, it won't register as a correct dimension, so you may have to delete the numbers and retype 18. And now you don't have to type feet because we only want it to go up 18 inches. And since inches are the default unit of this template, if you just type in 18, it will automatically set it to inches. As soon as you're done, hit enter, and you have formed the peak of the roof. Now we're going to create the eaves. So you can take your push-pull tool. This time you want to tap Control, and that will give you a little plus symbol right next to your push-pull tool, and you can pull that up and hit 3. And again, we're not going to put the apostrophe because it's not feet. We want 3 inches, and then we're going to hit enter. Now, my version looks a little bit different than yours. That's because I'm doing it on a Mac, and I'm using slightly different keys, and it's set up slightly differently. But we're using all of the same tools, and most of these tools all live in the same places. There are a few minor differences. Alright, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to tap Control again, and that plus is going to appear, and this time I'm going to pull it out. And I'm going to put in 3 and hit enter. Now, to make the top of the roof, I'm going to grab this inside edge. Now remember, your push-pull tool is acting on the end of the red arrow. So that's the part you want to be selecting with, the end of the red arrow. So we're going to pull that up, and then we're going to pull it down across the face, just like that. And at this point, you are done with the house. You can then go ahead and erase some of these extra lines if you like, using the orbit tool to orbit around to the other side, and clicking on the eraser. And then here you want to get it inside the little circle. There you go. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video.